Hey everyone, welcome to another live session by Simplilearn. I would like to thank all our viewers for participating in these sessions on YouTube and Facebook. Today, we will discuss the best books for machine learning. So let's wait for a while for people to join in. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to subscribe it now and stay updated with all the latest videos on our channel. I can see a lot of people have joined in. Without any further delay, let's begin. First, let's have a brief look at what machine learning is. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that helps you build intelligent systems and applications to solve business problems. Predictive models are built using machine learning techniques to make future predictions and derive business insights. Machine learning has found its application in almost every business sector, be it finance, retail, e-commerce, or healthcare. Now, let's talk about the books for machine learning. One of the reasons why you should learn books on machine learning is that books cover every topic in detail and introduces you to new ideas and invites you to solve problems. Reading enhances your analytical and logical thinking skills. So let's see the best books you can learn about machine learning. The first book we have is An Introduction to Statistical Learning with Applications in R. Now this book is written by 4 authors and provides an introduction to statistical learning methods. It is aimed at upper-level undergraduate students, master's students, and PhD students in the non-mathematical sciences. The book is inspired by the elements of statistical learning that we will cover next and provides clear and intuitive information on how to implement statistical and learning methods. The authors have given precise practical explanations on what methods are available and when to use them. By reading this book, you will be able to build machine learning applications using predictive models in our programming language. The second book we have is The Elements of Statistical Learning. It has been written by 3 authors who have also co-authored the previous book that we discussed. You will learn the maths behind statistical methods. It is a valuable resource for statisticians and anyone interested in the field of machine learning. You will learn each machine learning algorithm in depth. It covers supervised and unsupervised learning as well as neural networks. The new edition features graphical methods, random forests, ensemble methods, least angle regression, and spectral clustering. Up next, we have Machine Learning, a Probabilistic Perspective by Kevin P. Murphy. This book was released in 2012 and covers topics such as probability, optimization, and linear algebra. It also discusses the recent developments in the field of machine learning, including conditional random fields, L1 regularization, and deep learning. The book is written in an informal, accessible style, complete with pseudo code for most of the important algorithms. It provides examples from application domains such as biology, text processing, computer vision, and robotics. Models have been implemented in a Matlab software package called PMTK, that is Probabilistic Modeling Toolkit. The fourth book we have is Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning by Christopher M. Bishop. This book was originally published in 2006 and is aimed at advanced undergraduates or first-year PhD students as well as researchers and practitioners. Familiarity with multivariate calculus and basic linear algebra is required to learn this book, and some experience in the use of probabilities would be helpful, though not essential, as book includes a self-contained introduction to basic probability theory. You will understand linear models and probability distributions and learn graphical models along with kernel and sampling methods. You will also get an idea about neural networks for pattern recognition. Then we have Bayesian Reasoning and Machine Learning by David Barber. This book was published in 2012 and is designed for final year undergraduates and master's students with limited background in linear algebra and calculus. The book provides everything from basic reasoning to advanced techniques within the framework of graphical models. There are numerous examples and exercises provided in this book that are both computer-based and theoretical. You will also learn about Bayesian techniques and mixture models. The sixth book we have is An Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. As a beginner in Python, this book will teach you practical ways to build your own machine learning solutions. You will learn the important machine learning libraries in Python such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. It covers the fundamental concepts and applications of machine learning, the advantages and shortcomings of widely used machine learning algorithms. You will get acquainted with different methods for working with text data, including text-specific processing techniques. The book focuses on the practical aspects of using machine learning algorithms, so please go ahead and learn machine learning from this book if you are a beginner. Then, we have Understanding Machine Learning from Theory to Algorithms. The aim of this textbook is to introduce machine learning and the algorithmic paradigms it offers in a principled way. Designed for advanced undergraduates or beginning graduates, the book makes the fundamentals and algorithms of machine learning accessible to students and non-expert readers in statistics, computer science, mathematics, and engineering. It provides an extensive theoretical account of the fundamental ideas in machine learning. You will learn the mathematical derivations that transform these principles into practical algorithms and also get an idea about stochastic gradient descent, neural networks, and structured output learning. Moving ahead, the 8th book is Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. The book that you see on your screens is the second edition that was released in September 2019. The book provides concrete examples, minimal theory, and 2 production-ready Python frameworks that are Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. It helps you gain an intuitive understanding of the concepts and tools for building intelligent systems. You will learn a range of techniques starting from simple linear regression and processing to deep neural networks. We will use Scikit-learn to create end-to-end machine learning projects, TensorFlow library to build and train neural nets, and learn the different deep learning models such as convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and generative adversarial networks or GANs. Now, the 9th book in our list is Python Machine Learning. The 3rd edition of this book was published in December 2019. You will master the frameworks, models, and techniques that enable machines to learn from data. You will understand how to apply machine learning to image classification, sentiment analysis, and intelligent web applications. Reading this book will allow you to build and train neural networks, GANs, and other models. You will also discover best practices for evaluating and tuning models, predict continuous target outcomes using regression analysis, and dive deeper into textual and social media data using sentiment analysis. Finally, we have Applied Predictive Modeling. This book is intended for a broad audience as both an introduction to predictive models as well as guide to applying them. Readers should have knowledge of basic statistical ideas such as correlation and linear regression analysis. A mathematical background is needed for advanced topics. Applied predictive modeling covers the overall predictive modeling process, beginning from the crucial steps of data processing, data splitting, and foundations of model tuning. It illustrates the practical aspects of training models, addresses practical concerns such as model fitting, handling class imbalance, and causes of poor model performance. Every chapter has examples containing an extensive R programming code. With that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope it was informative and useful. If you think we missed out on any important books in machine learning, then please feel free to put it in the comment section of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.